Jamaican kitchen creations. Savor the sunshiny Jamaican cooking unleashed. A culinary journey to the vibrant heart of Jamaica with this guide to traditional Jamaican cooking. From jerk chicken to ackee and saltfish, immerse yourself in the bold flavors and cultural richness of Jamaican cuisine. Spice up your kitchen and transport your taste buds to the sunny shores of the Caribbean. 10 tips for delicious Jamaican cooking. Jerk magic, master the art of jerk seasoning for that authentic Jamaican kick. Explore the perfect blend of spices, including scallion, thyme, allspice, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Ackee appreciation, dive into the national dish of Jamaica, ackee and saltfish. Learn the proper preparation of ackee and the art of combining it with salted cod for a savory delight. Rice and peas perfection, elevate your rice and peas game. Discover the secret to infusing coconut milk, kidney beans, and aromatic spices into a side dish that complements any Jamaican meal. Curry fiesta, embrace the flavors of Jamaican curry. Whether it's goat, chicken, or fish, learn how to create a curry masterpiece with a distinctive Jamaican twist. Patty prowess, explore the world of Jamaican patties, flaky, golden pastries filled with spicy and savory delights. Perfect your pastry skills and experiment with various fillings. Callaloo creations, harness the goodness of callaloo, a leafy green vegetable. Learn different ways to prepare and enjoy this nutritious and tasty ingredient. Coconut craze, incorporate the tropical goodness of coconut into your dishes. From coconut milk to shredded coconut, infuse your recipes with the rich and sweet essence of the Caribbean. Plantain pleasures, unleash the potential of plantains in Jamaican cuisine. Whether fried, baked, or mashed, discover the versatility of this beloved Caribbean fruit. Sorrel symphony, embrace the festive drink of Jamaica, sorrel. Learn to make this refreshing beverage with hibiscus petals, ginger, and a hint of spice. Dessert delights, conclude your Jamaican feast with sweet treats like gizzata, grater cake, or the classic coconut drops. Indulge in the irresistible desserts that punctuate Jamaican meals. As you savor the last bite, let the essence of Jamaican cooking linger, a symphony of flavors that resonates with the soul of the Caribbean. From the fiery kick of jerk seasoning to the comforting embrace of rice and peas, you've embarked on a culinary journey through Jamaica's vibrant tapestry of tastes. In your kitchen, you've become a storyteller, weaving tales with the aromatic spices, tropical fruits, and rich traditions that make Jamaican cuisine unforgettable. As the echoes of your culinary adventure linger, may your heart be warmed by the memories created around the table. Until the next time you're ready to spice up your kitchen and transport your senses to the sun-soaked shores of Jamaica, remember that every dish is a celebration of life, culture, and the joy found in sharing a meal. One love, and until we meet again on this flavorful journey. Please like, share and subscribe today.